All right, this is Ed's garage, Magic Garage, and where my car has been in the back here for the last almost 10 years. He has a RX-7 FD that he's working, that's his. A Datsun. Another Datsun. S30. Underneath all that, a Celica. A Drag FB. Various Volks lying around and works. Drag FB. And this is just the storage work area. Slips. And in the paint booth, what he's working on. Never mind the rims. LS, huge turbo that he has as well. Of course, on more works. Ridiculous amount of shit he has in here. But sitting right in the middle, where it's been for the last almost 10 years. My R35. When I say this is a farm, he has goats. And everything just chilling. Truly a barnyard somewhere in the United States.